Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how AI can help kids grow, learn, and thrive in their everyday lives. Whether you're a parent, guardian, or just curious, this video is packed with practical tips to supercharge a kid's development using AI. From studying smarter to sparking creativity, we've got it all covered. I am V, your AI teacher. Let's study together. AI for learning and study. First up, let's talk about how AI can make studying fun and effective. Kids today are digital natives, so why not use AI to meet them where they're at? Here are 3 AI tools that can transform how kids learn. Khan Academy's Khan Migo. This AI tutor personalizes lessons for kids in math, science, and more. It adapts to their pace, explains concepts in simple terms, and even makes learning feel like a game. For example, a 10-year-old struggling with fractions can get step-by-step guidance tailored to their level. Duolingo for language learning. Want your kid to learn Spanish, French, or even Japanese? Duolingo's AI-driven lessons are bite-sized, interactive, and perfect for kids age 7 and up. The app uses AI to adjust difficulty based on their progress. This free AI-powered app lets kids scan or type math problems, and it delivers instant step-by-step solutions with clear explanations. It's perfect for elementary to middle schoolers tackling algebra, geometry, or basic arithmetic, making math homework a breeze. Pro tip: set a daily 20-minute routine with one of these tools. It's short enough to keep kids engaged, but consistent enough to see progress. AI for creativity and self-development. Next, let's spark some creativity. AI isn't just about academics. It can help kids express themselves and build confidence. Here's how. Canva's AI design tools. Kids can create posters, comics, or even presentations using Canva's magic design feature. It suggests layouts and graphics based on their ideas. Imagine your 8-year-old designing a poster for a school project in minutes. Storybird for storytelling. This AI-powered platform helps kids write and illustrate their own stories. It suggests prompts and artwork to inspire them. It's perfect for ages 6 to 12 and builds creative writing skills. Code.org. This free platform uses AI-driven tutorials to teach kids coding through fun, game-like activities. Kids can create their own games or animations, like designing a simple video game, fostering problem-solving and creative thinking for ages 6 to 12. Why it matters. These tools encourage kids to think outside the box and develop emotionally, which is just as important as academics. AI for everyday life skills. AI can also teach kids practical life skills that set them up for success. Here's how to integrate AI into their daily routine. Time management with Microsoft To Do. This free AI-powered app helps kids organize tasks like homework or chores. The AI suggests due dates and prioritizes tasks, sending reminders to keep them on track. For example, a 12-year-old can financial literacy with Gohenry. This app uses AI to teach kids money management through a prepaid debit card. Parents can set allowances, assign tasks, and monitor spending, helping kids learn to budget and save. It's great for kids starting to earn pocket money, with engaging lessons on financial basics for ages 6 and up. AI chatbots for curiosity. Tools like ChatGPT or Grok can answer kids' endless why questions in a safe, educational way. From "Why is the sky blue?" to "How do rockets work?" AI fosters curiosity without overwhelming them. Quick tip: parents, always supervise AI use to ensure kids are using age-appropriate tools and staying safe online. How AI works. Kid-friendly explanation. Now, let's get nerdy for a sec. how does all this AI magic work? In simple terms, AI is like a super smart librarian who learns from tons of books and helps you find exactly what you need. It uses patterns from data, like math problems or words, to give personalized answers or suggestions. For example, when Conmigo helps with math, it's trained on thousands of math problems to know what works for kids. Or when Canva suggests a cool design, it's looking at patterns in what other people create. Cool, right? Encourage your kids to ask AI tools questions. It's like having a brainy friend who's always ready to help. Unlock your kids' potential with AI's endless possibilities. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe to AI with B. And tell me in the comments what skill you'd love to develop in your child. The next video is going to be epic. I'll show you how to remember unlimited numbers fast. And don't miss the last one. Design your future. It perfectly sets the stage for today's lesson.